Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to talk about GNUS Brands International. This stock trades on the NASDAQ under symbol GNUS. This stock was up an amazing 81%, up to $3.06. After hours, it did move back down. This stock was just another one of those Wall Street bets, heavily shorted stocks that got a big pop, began to run up really quickly. I do anticipate that this stock will probably get pushed back down with the other big Wall Street bet runners like GameStop and AMC, simply because the regulators are beginning to clamp down and even the brokerage firms are starting to halt trading on these stocks. So the question is, do you want to get into this stock? Well, I actually like this stock. I've been talking about it for a while, especially it's been kind of hanging around the $1 level, saying that could break through $2. If it could break through $2, it could get $5. Now, I do think that this stock will probably come back down because it's going to be heavily regulated. However, when the regulation stops and everything returns back to normal, which I think is going to happen, GNUS Brands is definitely a stock that you should take a look at. Now, one of the reasons why I like the company creates programming for children. They have a bunch of different licenses. Now, this is not like a Disney sort of, big brand here, but they have a lot of programming. And the thing about kids' content is that kids absorb this content like for hours and hours on end. If you have a little kid, you know that they could take a tablet and just stare at cartoons for hours. And I think GNUS Brands will definitely benefit by that, by putting their content up on YouTube or other areas that they can monetize. So I think over the long term, GNUS Brands is going to do really, really well. At this level, I would be a little cautious here just because I do think the price is going to come down. I would wait for it to give back maybe half of this gain. So if it comes back down to between $1 and $2, between like maybe I would say $2 a share, between $1 and $2 a share. So if it could get up to maybe at the $2 level, I think it would be a good buy at this point, but I would not chase at this level. I do think Wall Street Bets is going to attempt to continue the short squeeze, but now this has been the bit, like yesterday, it's so weird that like GameStop was the biggest news to the point that people on Twitter were making jokes about it, and I had family members asking me about GameStop. I mean, that's how big this story was. This was the big story yesterday. So regulators have huge incentive to clamp down on the average retailer trying to, take out the hedge funds, which they have every right to do. But, that's kind of nonsense. But wait to see how things play out. But when things do sort of settle down, definitely take a look at GNUS Brands, because I do think this is a sub $5 stock that has a great chance of running up to $5 before the end of the year. Again, GNUS Brands trades on the NASDAQ on symbol GNUS. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates for stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.